Alright guys, here we have Mr. Minnow. His real name is Max. We call him Minnow for a long story. We'll get into that another day. But anyway, here's his bike, and this will be under the BMX Bikes edits and other stylings by Papa. So, what do you got, Max?
Alright, starting at the top. We got Van grips, longs, because I'm sexy. We got ramp bars.
4-piece.
I got a Shadow top load stem. We got Odyssey tires and Odyssey front rim. And I got a Redline frame. Monster cranks with Shadow pedals. I got Walmart seat because I'm poor as fuck. I got my chain is made up by Max and Chris at bmx.com. We got a Odyssey back rim with Odyssey tires and Mongoose chrome
Taped fucking peg. That's dope.
I'm gonna get a 180 in for you real quick.
Alright, if you want to see one of Max's edits, that'll be posted in the description, or I might just post it up on my channel. So, alright, well that was Minnow's bike check. We did Chris's bike check, Mr. Stasinski, and we did my bike check. There'll be more bike checks in the future. And Chris needs to burn that sweatshirt because it says diesel. So anyway,
Free coaster life. You ain't got a free coaster, you ain't good.
you have a fucking free coaster and your gap in your teeth. All right, y'all. Deuces.